Greetings, fellow Earthlings,
and welcome to this tiny garage.
This is located at the flywheel side of the engine on bank 1. I know none of you are hearing a word I'm saying right now.
Greetings, Earthlings!
And welcome to this tiny garage. Is it this tiny garage?
Hold on, what's the dog doing? Oh yeah, subscribe now. Delta says thank you.
I don't even know what is this thing for.
Am I making noise with this when I do that?
Yes.
Hi!
That's for the coolant.
Oh, there's no water.
Action.
Done.
The dog's out of here. Unfortunately, that's all we have time for this week.
Thank you very much for watching.
Till next time.